Welcome back to Chiropractic First of Rockford. I'm Dr. Kyle Olson with you again. And today, rather than sharing a few minutes of a health-related topic or advice on a certain subject, instead I want to invite you to a very important event that we're going to be having. It's called Cancer Killers. Now it's October, so of course it means it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I'm sure you've probably seen plenty of pink balloons and pink ribbons and everything that can be dyed pink is pink this month. And one thing I love about this month is it shows that people truly do care. Most people that are wearing pink or do the walks, they do events, they're doing it because somebody that they love, someone that they love or someone that is close to them is suffering through breast cancer or maybe another type of cancer. It really speaks to the nature of people to truly want to help those that they love and care about. With that being said, I also wanted you to take a moment to think about not just the people you love and care about who may be suffering, but for yourself as well. If you have questions about how you can prevent cancer, whether it be breast cancer or any type of cancer, prevent cancer for yourself or prevent it for a loved one, I want you to take a few minutes and think about the best strategy you have for that. You see, most cancers, and this is directly off of the American Cancer Society, most cancers are only about 5 to 10% unavoidable. There's about 5 or 10% that are just in your genes. Unfortunately, it's a family history. But 90% or more can be prevented or greatly reduce the risk of if you're making the right lifestyle choices. And what we want to do as an office is empower you to make those choices correctly, whether you're somebody who's looking to prevent cancer or if you're looking to battle cancer that you currently have or really prevent it going forward out of remission or wherever stage you may be at. What we're going to do to give you the most information as thoroughly as possible is we have this special event. It's the largest event that we do in our office every year, and truthfully it's one of the largest health events that's held in Rockford every year. We're expecting hundreds of people. We're even bringing in a very special guest speaker this year. His name is Dr. Charles Majors. Now Dr. Majors is a doctor who practices around the Chicago area. 5 years ago, he was diagnosed with a stage 4 blood cancer that had actually metastasized to his brainstem. Sitting in the hospital bed after running test after test, they gave him only weeks to live. But what he did was he took the information he had, he studied up on it, and what he did was he naturally treated himself using not chemotherapy or radiation or some of the more traditional methods, but by making the lifestyle choices that promote health and healing from within. Now his is an amazing story and he's going to be able to tell you it in detail, which is why it's so important to be there. But the message he's going to share is not just what to do if you have cancer, but what you can do to prevent it as well. For people who do have cancer, what we want to do is provide a support system for you. And it's also going to go through different ways that you can actually help yourself if you are doing chemotherapy, if you are doing radiation or some of the other traditional methods. He's going to outline for ways that you can actually reduce things like the negative side effects, the pain that can oftentimes come with those treatments. So this is not meant to be an event just for one group of people. If you know someone who is battling cancer, who is in remission, or if you or yourself and those you care about, you want to prevent it, I urge you to come to this event. It's being held October 31st, which is a Saturday morning. It's Halloween. It's going to be between the hours of 10 a.m. and 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to have amazing health vendors local here to Rockford that are going to empower you and give you the best tools possible to enhance your health there as well. This is a completely free event. There's no charge. We just want you to be there to gather the information so you can actually take on cancer head on and keep it out of your life. Again, that's October 31st. That's a Saturday morning between the hours of 10 a.m. and 1 o'clock. Dr. Charles Majors is the guest speaker. He's nationally renowned and he's a true expert when it comes to this field. There's a website that's going to appear here at the bottom of the screen. It's www.cancerkillersrockford.com. I urge you to go there. You can read some more information on the event, read a little bit more about Dr. Charles Majors' biography, as well as a place to register for this. Remember, there's no charge for this whatsoever. We just ask that you come ready to learn. Bring your friends and family so they can experience it with you. Have a maximized day, and I look forward to seeing you all at the special Cancer Killers event, October 31st.